Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our IELTS preparation video series. आज हम बात करेंगे listening test के बारे में. Super important section, right? So, before we jump into the tips, I have some wisdom for you. You know our cricket legend MS Dhoni. He once said that captaincy is 90% and 10% is skill, but the 10% is super important. Guess what? IELTS listening is a kind of a thing like that. मेहनत तो करनी ही पड़ेगी. That's your 90%. और कुछ smart tips, वो है आपका 10% to get that high score. Tip number 1. Don't translate in your head. Seriously, please don't do this. This is super inefficient and you will miss the answers. Imagine टेस्ट में बैठकर every sentence के बाद you will be stuck thinking and you're like, अरे यार इसे हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? You will get lost and audio will keep going and going, and you will lose your focus and concentration, and eventually you will lose your points. Tip number 2, immerse yourself in English. Try this. Do your entire IELTS preparation in English. Instructions, notes, planning, everything. और जब आप रिलैक्स कर रहे हो तब भी आप इंग्लिश ही इंग्लिश. Listen podcasts, read magazines, even watch movies and subtitles. Surround yourself with the language and your brain will adapt and your brain will start to evolve and exist in English. And this is your final destination. Tip number 3, practice mock test. Hard tips are great and all, but remember, they're only extra boost only. Your hard work, your practice, that's the real deal. Vocabulary, mock tests, regular listening, that's what makes a big difference. So train your ears and brain to process fast and respond fast. So guys, I hope you got the point. Tips can guide you, but high IELTS score demands efforts. Dhoni didn't become legend in one night, right? Practice consistently, think in English and trust the process. Next time, we'll dive into more specific listening tips. Stay tuned and remember, you can crack this exam.